Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you the best deck to use in Arena 19 in Clash Royale to help you climb fast and win consistently. Let's get started. So the deck you'll use in Arena 18 is the P.E.K.K.A. Zap Bridge Spam, one of the strongest control and pressure decks in the game. This deck revolves around P.E.K.K.A. as your main win defensive powerhouse, shutting down tanks like Giant, Mega Knight, Royal Giant, and Golem with ease. Once P.E.K.K.A. finishes defending, turn that defense into offense by supporting her with a Battle Rum, Bandit, or Royal Ghost to apply non-stop bridge pressure. Electro Wizard adds huge value by stunning and resetting Inferno units, while Magic Archer gives insane long-range chip damage when lined up correctly. For spells, Fireball and Zap keep you safe against swarms and medium troops. Zap also helps reset Sparky, Infernos, and charges. This deck works well in a single elixir, but it becomes extremely deadly in double elixir when bridge spam pressure never stops. With godly defense, strong attack, and amazing synergy, this deck is perfect for dominating Arena 19. Copy this deck, play smart with your elixir, punish overcommits, and you'll fly through this arena in no time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.